In a cold, snowy land, where the sun rarely shone, lived a small, feathered creature named Ptarmigan, all alone. With feathers that changed with the seasons, a sight to behold. A creature of beauty, yet burdened with a heart cold. Ptarmigan, though small, had a spirit so strong, a will to survive, no matter how wrong. But the winter was harsh, the snow deep and thick. It was hard to find food, and days became stick. One day, Ptarmigan found a seed, just one, in the snow. A prized discovery, a treasure, to help her grow. But the seed was buried deep, beneath a thick layer of white. Ptarmigan looked at it, the hope in her eyes took flight. She saw a crow, black as night, with a beak sharp and keen, glancing at the seed, a wicked, devious scheme. "Give me the seed," the crow cawed, "or I'll fly away and never return. You'll starve to death, my dear, when the snowfall does churn." Ptarmigan was scared, her heart filled with dread. But she stood her ground, her will not to be led. "I'll dig the seed out," she said, "and you can go on your way. But I'll eat the seed, and I'll live another day." The crow, surprised, looked at her, a smirk on its face. "You're a fool, little Ptarmigan, I'll outwit you with grace." "Give me the seed," the crow cawed, "and I'll help you dig it out. But remember, little one, I'll get the seed when it's found." Ptarmigan, though small, was not a fool. She saw the trick in the crow's sly rule. She said, "I'll dig the seed out, but I'll hold it tight. I'll eat it first, and you'll have no fight." The crow agreed, and Ptarmigan began to dig. The snow melted, the seed soon in her grip. She held it close, her heart filled with glee. The seed was hers, she was now free. "Give me the seed," the crow cawed, "you've deceived me." Ptarmigan looked at the crow, her voice filled with ease. "I have no seed, you've been outwitted," she giggled with glee. "I've learned a lesson, you'll never deceive me." From that day on, Ptarmigan lived free. Her spirit strong, her heart full of glee. She learned that tricks could be tricks, and not all was as it seemed. And that she, a small creature, was no one to be creamed. Moral: trust not easily, and learn to stand your ground. For there are those who will try to deceive with a frown. But with courage and wisdom, you'll outwit the tricky and the sly, and live a life free, under the endless sky.